Create a fresh and inviting look to your living space with this clean-line Peyton Fawn Slipcover Sofa. The frame in this collection is crafted of kiln-dried hardwood and features an 8-way hand-tied spring system with feather and foam-filled cushions for extreme comfort and unbeatable support. All the cushions come wrapped in a down blend for a soft, luxurious seating experience. T-shaped reversible seat cushions will stay firmly in place. Charming rolled arms and kick-pleated skirt add to the classic vibe of this sofa, while piping edges round out the design with a tailored touch. The stain-resistant LiveSmart slipcover is also removable for dry cleaning, making cleanup a breeze in the event of a spill. Available in this collection are a sofa, loveseat, chair, and ottoman. The sofa is 89 inches wide with a depth of 39 inches and an overall height of 39 inches. The loveseat measures 69 inches wide with a depth of 39 inches and an overall height of 39 inches. The matching chair measures 42 inches wide with a depth of 39 inches and a height of 39 inches. The matching ottoman is 33 inches wide with a depth of 25 inches and an overall height of 18 inches. The Peyton Fawn Slipcover Sofa by Synergy is perfect for various room styles. With a look and comfort made to impress, you can't go wrong with this selection.